Singapore and China have reaffirmed their commitment to preserve an open and rules-based multilateral trading system. This came as Singapore's Deputy Prime Minister Heng Keat met Chinese Premier Li Keqiang in Beijing today.
Amid a trade tension with the United States, Mr. Li says China is committed to opening up and will treat all businesses registered in the country equally. Olivia Xiong with more.
Singapore Deputy Prime Minister Heng Keat is on an 8-day visit to China, his first to the country since taking up the post earlier this month. On Thursday, he met Chinese Premier Li Keqiang in Beijing, who congratulated him on his appointment. Mr. Li also conveyed China's interest to continue working with Singapore to advance bilateral cooperation. He added that trade between Singapore and China has come a long way since diplomatic ties were established, and this has helped boost the relationship. China is also committed to opening up, and Mr. Li says China welcomes business investments from Singapore and other countries. He reiterated that China will treat all registered companies equally, foster a level playing field, and a more enabling business environment. Mr. Heng expressed confidence that both countries can build on its strong bilateral relations and take it to the next level. The leaders welcomed the progress in current areas of collaboration and discussed new opportunities for cooperation. This includes China's Greater Bay Area and the Yangtze River Delta region. Later in the day, Mr. Heng met Director of the Central Foreign Affairs Commission Office, Yang Jiechi, who is also a member of the Communist Party of China's Politburo. He also held discussions with the Minister of the Communist Party's International Department, Song Tao. They welcomed the positive momentum in bilateral relations and exchanged views on regional and international issues. Now, Mr. Heng heads to Shanghai next, where he'll chair the inaugural meeting of the new Singapore-Shanghai Comprehensive Cooperation Council, the 8th business council between Singapore and China. Olivia Xiong, CNA, Beijing.